Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup. Chicken
Yo, man, what's good, man? This your boy Quez, a.k.a. Mr. Heavyweight Trucker. Boy out here in Nashville, Tennessee. Somewhere close to Nashville, Tennessee. Finna go get me something to drink, man. I'm supposed to be drinking only water, though, but I'm being hard-headed right now. Finna cook up me a little good homemade meal, man. Cook up some spaghetti, man. Some spaghetti, some garlic bread, a nice salad. Finna get it popping, man. Up here at the Loves, man. Loves. I love it up here at Loves. I done took me a shower already. I took one early, so I'm good to go, man. I'm ahead of schedule. I'm gonna have to steal some of that ice on my way back. I ain't paying for it. Gotta put my mask on. Boy, this shit on backwards in all kind of ways, but it's all good.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
What's up, what's up?
Oh, yeah. Y'all know how y'all know how we do. We get in here, we take it off. I'm finna use the belt on y'all. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so what should I get to drink? I had Sprite earlier. Don't want that, don't want that, don't want that. Fuck it, I'm gonna get this. Yeah. I need one of these, man. I need one of these right here. Tired of using this cooler, man. Gotta keep on putting ice in it. Shit getting real old. Got that taken care of. And now taking the bag of ice. Gotta get the hell on now. I done made it back to the truck. And I'm tired from that walk. But your boy finna get to it, man. Your boy Mr. Heavyweight Trucker. I don't just drive, I cook too, man. I get it in. So like I said, finna cook up some spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? Some good garlic bread. And a nice plate of salad. With ranch dressing. With my orange drink. Let's get to it, man. Now when you ain't got no refrigerator, you gotta use a cooler. You see what I'm saying? You my cooler, man. My cooler with my ice. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it work. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got his hot plate, man. I'm ready to goddamn get it popping. You know what I'm saying? And your boy got the toaster and everything. Don't worry about the sauce. Alright. Now see me, I'm like a chef. You know what I'm saying? I like to have all my ingredients and everything. I like to have everything got prepared. You know what I'm saying? So your boy got the noodles, the sauce. I don't need grease because ground beef make his own beef, but hell, I like any goddamn way sometimes. Got plenty of this ground beef, you know what I'm saying? And my garlic bread, man. And I got that salad in here that's getting cold, man. Well, it been cold. I'm ready for that too, though. So shit, right now I'm just in the middle of chopping this right here up, man. You know, gotta cook it real good, man. Got my water right there getting ready for the noodles. Now, one thing I did leave out of my season salt, man. You gotta season salt this thing down a little bit. I done added my sauce and everything. Now I'm just mixing it up, let the heat get to it. And I put my sugar in there too. I know a lot of y'all be like, what the hell? Yeah, but I like sugar. Now I'm just waiting on my noodles to get done boiling. So as y'all can see, man, I got my noodles done. Got my ground beef and my sauce and everything. Now it's time to get to that garlic bread. Your boy got that in there, ready to go. Close up. Let's get it. Well, y'all know garlic bread take a little minute to cook, so I'm just gonna have to sit back and chill, man. It's getting dark, man. I'm trying to get it in before it get dark. Shit, when I'm at the truck stop and I ain't got nothing to do, all I do is do this right here, chill. Hell, he chilling too. You know what I'm saying? And this is how you whip up a nice meal. A nice meal. That shit good. But yeah, man, this is boy Quez, man. I'm finna eat up, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what I had going on. My damn food starting to get cold, man, so I gotta hurry and get it down my belly. Y'all be easy, man. This is boy Quez, man. A.K.A. Mr. Heavyweight Trucker, man. I'm out of here.
Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup with
Yeah.
a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup.
Chicken.
Chicken noodle soup.
Noodle.
Chicken noodle soup
Soup.
with a soda on the side.
Yeah.
soup.
The